Thinker Place was born in the lockdown. There was a lot of things happening amongst children. Me coming from an educational background, I realized that a lot of our children were at home. They were homebound, like all the other kids at school. And yeah, online classes was happening, learning was happening. But at the end of the day, I think what a child needs is something beyond the books also. So that's how Thinker Place was born.
Thinker Place Pune, in its effort to ensure that STEM-based learning reaches every corner of India, has headed to a small village of Nagri in Jharkhand to meet a like-minded visionary, Mr. Gyanraj. He, with his unique teaching methods, has won 1 million hearts, including that of Mr. Amitabh Bachchan, on the sets of KBC, where he appeared and spoke about his initiative. Saurabh Tiwari, CEO of Thinker Place, embarked on this journey to meet him face to face, to support his cause and make him a part of his mission.
When I come to know about Thinker Place, when Saurabh contacted me, so I was very excited that there is someone who is thinking like me. The first, you may say that first contact or the first talking between us was about how to take the innovation to each and every student. So the work which Thinker Place is doing, it is a great thing, and I appreciate the work, and it is something that which I am doing. What I am doing, it is similar that Thinker Place is also doing. So here we are trying to take innovation to each and every students. We want that every student, you may say that read, understand and do the work in the STEM field. And it will be a great journey between I and the Thinker Place. And I think that in coming time, this collaboration will, you may say that, give fruitful result, not only for us, but also for the people and the students.
So Thinker Place is a learning initiative, is a edtech company. Rather than company, I can say it is a mission where we are trying to promote innovation, and as well as we are setting up the lab at educational institutions for promoting the STEM innovations. And why we are here? Because as we know that Mr. Gyanraj is a great guy who is doing a work at Jharkhand, Nagri, and the same kind of work. That means they are teaching innovation to the student. They are talking about the real life problems. He's talking about that drones. He's talking about robotics. He's talking about STEM education. We also believe in the same that the initiative of STEM education, what Thinker Place initiates, should go across nation.
It was so nice. It was so nice. The Thinker Place, that is a wonderful company which is giving us equipments to encourage, to express our ideas, to innovate something by which we can learn so many new ideas about the digital world. As जैसे इस दुनिया बढ़ रही है, उस तरह से हमें उन सभी चीज़ों के बारे में इंफॉर्मेशन रखना चाहिए. और थैंक यू फॉर द Thinker Place to giving us this type of thing. So thank you.
The STEM Kits by Thinker Place will help all and every children to learn beyond the books. Thinker Place की जो ये किट है, जिसे आप पूरे इंडिया के हर बच्चे तक पहुंचाने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं, ये इसके लिए मुझे बहुत खुशी है और आई अप्रिशिएट दिस, और मुझे मेरी शुभकामनाएं हैं कि आपको इसमें सफलता मिले.